unbreakable now. Walking down the road I've chosen, nothing's gonna bring me down.